Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best, where we bring you the smartest and most useful products to make life easier. Today we are talking about a game changer for your kitchen, the Streetlights Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. Now let's be honest, twisting a manual grinder is just annoying, right? Sometimes your hands are wet, sometimes they are greasy, and sometimes you just don't have the time or patience. That's why this electric grinder set is a must have. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why you need it in your kitchen. So, what makes this grinder set so special? Let's break it down. One handed operation. This is the highest win for all of us. No more twisting, shaking, or struggling. Just tilt the grinder and it starts working automatically. It's that simple. Perfect when your other hand is busy cooking, holding a pan, or even using your phone. Adjustable coarseness. Sometimes you want a fine sprinkle of salt, other times you want big board pepper flakes. With this grinder, you just twist the dial at the bottom to get the perfect size, no more guessing. Built-in LED light. This little feature is actually a lifesaver. The blue LED light helps you see exactly how much seasoning you are adding, especially in dim lighting. No more over salting or under seasoning. Modern and sleek design. Now let's be real. Kitchen gadgets should look good too. And this set super sleek, modern, and stylish. It's something you actually want to keep out on the counter instead of hiding away in a drawer. Battery powered, no wire, no charging, no hassle. Just pop in 6 AAA batteries and you're good to go. For months, no annoying cords, no recharging, just grab and grind whenever you need it. Alright, now let's talk about who this grinder set is perfect for. Home cooks, if you love cooking and want a smoother and faster seasoning experience. People with arthritis or hand pain, no twisting needed, making it pain free and effortless. Busy people, whether you're juggling multiple dishes or just in a hungry, this grinder saves time. Okay, so now you know why this utilized gravity electric pepper and salt grinder set is a total game changer. It's effortless, adjustable, stylish, and just makes cooking easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product reviews. See you next time.